I thought it was a branch, but no. Look at that beautiful snake. Yeah, she looked like wow. I don't know what. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, the rainy season has begun, and saying that has begun is come with a lot of water. Actually, our forecast for this rainy season this year is. Oh, I'm going to show you something here. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but there is a big rock there, a huge rock, and it is impossible. Well, yeah, they can do that with dynamite, right? But it is impossible for them to be profitable building a house if they take that rock away. So what are they going to do is build the house on top of the rock. So they already put the posts there to basically tell the guys who construct that thing that they will put the house there. So in other words, that house going to be a rock solid house. Literally, yeah.